Welcome to Chapter 7, Lesson 1, all about tally charts. We're going to be learning about how to make and read graphs. So we're going to start by using the tally chart to answer the questions. Here's the chart. You can see it says favorite instrument. The instruments are drums, guitar, piano. On this side, we have the tallies. This is how many people. Like the drums, this means 5 and 3 more, 6, 7, 8. Guitar, this means 5, and piano, 5 and 1. Let's look at the questions. How many people chose the drums? Easy. Let's go and look at our drums and look at the tally chart, and we can count them 5, 6, 7, 8. So our answer here would be 8. How many people chose the guitar? Let's find where it says guitar and count the tallies. How many are there? So you can see our answers. How many people chose the drums? 8. How many people chose guitars? 5 people. So then how many people chose the piano? 6 people. From this we can tell how many people were asked the question. Let's write the totals. Let's use this tally chart to answer the questions. This shows the favorite zoo animal. The animals are the lion, the giraffe, and the bear. Let's go ahead and count up the tallies and put the number here. How many people chose a bear as their favorite zoo animal? Let's take a look at where it says bear and count the tallies. 5 plus 1. There were 6. 6 people chose a bear. How many fewer people chose a giraffe than a lion? Well, let's see. The lion had 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry, 5 plus 4 is 9. And the giraffe had 4. So how many fewer people chose a giraffe than a lion? We would take the number for the lion and subtract the number from giraffe. What do we have left? And then, how many people choose a lion or a bear as their favorite animal? And all you do is count them up. Let's see if we got it correct. 6 people chose the bear as their favorite. 5 fewer people chose a giraffe than a lion. And there were 15 people who chose a lion or a bear. We add those two, 9 plus 6, and it makes 15 people. Let's try some more. Here's a graph about my favorite activities. We can see their activities were running, dancing, and playing outside. How many kids like to run? 2. How many people like to dance? Count the tallies. 4. And how many people like to play outside? Count the tallies. 3. So if we were to ask the question, how many more people like to dance than to run? We could write a subtraction sentence here. We put the number of people that like to dance, 4, minus the people that like to run, 2. And then we find how many more people like to dance than to run. The answer was 2, because 4 minus 2 equals 2. Let's try another one. This is called a tally chart because it shows a mark for each vote in a survey. A survey asks people the same question. Let's look at this survey. This survey was about favorite vegetables. There were carrots, peas, and corn. Remember, 1 mark means 1 vote. 4 marks with a slash through it means 5 votes. Let's count how many people liked carrots. 1, 2, 3. Our total were 3 people like carrots. How many people like peas? 1, 2. 2 people liked peas. And how many people thought corn was their favorite vegetable? 5, 6, 7. That would be 7. You got it. Let's take a look at this one. This one is about what is your favorite color? Boys and girls, let's look at this survey. The colors were red, blue, or purple. Number 4 says, how many people chose red? Let's count the tallies. 5, 6, 7, 8. How many people chose red? All right. Then how many people chose purple? Count the tallies. It would be 5. Do more people like blue or purple? Let's compare these two. Do more people like blue or purple? Purple. And how many more people like red than blue? How do we figure that out? Let's take the number of people that like red and subtract the number of people that like blue. You can see right here, 3 minus this 3. I will have 5 left over. That would be 5 people that like red more than blue. Let's check our answers. Hey, we got them all right. Your turn. Do more people like red or purple? Red, good. How many fewer people like blue than purple? Let's take the number of purple, 5 minus 3. What's left? 2. 2 people, fewer people like blue than purple. And how many people were surveyed in all? Well, that's easy. Let's add all of these numbers up. Here's 5 plus 5, that's 10. 10 plus 3, 13. And let's add 3 more. 14, 15, 16. That was easy, right? Let's take a look at one more problem. Look at this tally chart. It says circle the tally chart that shows 2 students like crackers, 6 students like bananas, and 4 students like carrots. Looks like they were asking what's the favorite snack. Let's take a look at our data. This is a set of data. 2 students like crackers. Let's check the crackers here. Yep. Check the crackers here. Nope. 6 students like bananas. Oh, here's 6 students like bananas. How many like bananas here? Right, only 2. And the 4 students like carrots. Let's look here. How many liked carrots? 4. How many liked carrots over here? 6. I think it's this one, don't you? Let's check our answer. Yep, we were correct. Okay, friends, well now you're ready to do your homework pages. You'll be doing pages 513 to 514. You'll be using tally charts and reading them and counting and writing and thinking about what those tally charts mean.